Hi my tubies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Victoria, nice to meet you. So February was one hell of a whirlwind month. Skating competition, practice, dealing with injuries, so I really apologize for how late this video is, but here's my February base box. Had it opened, of course. Be My Glamantine is the theme, and I got 5 products here. So I just have my eyeliner, mascara, and my eyebrows done. And let's take a look and see what we got here. First thing that we have is the Ilia Mosca hydrating spray. It's a setting spray. Dewy finish, has amino acids. It's gonna keep your skin hydrated. I don't have any makeup on. I don't plan to put any makeup on, but this is what it looks like. I'm going to try it on the skin anyways. Let's see. I don't know what that smells like. Really clean, maybe? I'm not sure, but... Okay, so... It's almost like the OC spray or OC spray. It really does hit you. We're gonna let it soak in. It's not sticky or anything like that. It definitely is hydrating, but you know, it's wet. So apply after makeup, hold 25 centimeters, close eyes and spray liberally. So I'm sure that if I use this product after putting makeup on, it would set it nice, pretty nicely. I just want to see like the main ingredients here. So it is water. Okay, so and it should work well with a lot of products, so we'll see. So there's that. Next thing here, I have the Teami Detox mask. This is $29.99, mineral rich mask. Matcha green tea, lemongrass, bentonite clay, so it's going to be a really detoxifying mask, especially if you have breakouts, you know, you're oily or you have combination oily skin. You put them in those spots and it'll clear up those areas of your skin. So let's take a look. Maybe I'll give this to my daughter. I mean, I love masks, but she was just saying that she needed a mask. It just smells like a regular mask. I don't smell like green tea in it or anything like that. It's nice and thick. Let's try that one spot. It looks like war paint. So we'll try that. Yeah, formulated to rid pores of impurities while replenishing the skin. So we'll see. I'm sure it's probably like, yeah, 10 to 15 minutes for mask to dry. So this one little spot I'm sure would be okay. So I'm not mad. All right. Next we have the Bali Balm. This is the pineapple lip scrub, and I love pineapples. Okay, it's $23. I love lip scrub. Okay, so it's a sugar scrub, vanilla scented. It's got cinnamon and orange in it. And I wonder, is it one of these ones where you can't like lick or eat? It doesn't say. So, oh, it smells good. It's vanilla scented. Definitely needed this because, you know, going from the winter into the spring or our so-called spring, like, gotta do something, right? Definitely edible. My lips feel softer. So let's let that sit for a little bit. Oh, I got this crusty stuff on my lips. It's so yummy. All right, next we have the Ace Beauté. This is the Glow Essentials Highlighting Palette. Yeah, my lips are so much softer now. Oh my goodness, I so needed this. Thank you. the highlighter palette. This is what the outer packaging looks like. This is $40. Each shade is buildable and glides on the skin. So let's take a look, see, get ourselves a little brush. We use this one from Morphe. And we'll probably use it on this side, obviously, so that way it doesn't coincide with the mask. Look at how pretty it is. You get 6 different colors, nice and luminous. So if you're feeling some kind of way with the makeup scheme, you can put that on your face. Let's see, what am I in the mood for? Because I'm wearing pink, I think I'm going to go with this pinky shade. It's called Radiant. Very little fallout, though there is fallout. Look at how icy that is. Holy shit. That is icy as hell. This is really nice, and the consistency of it, like the formula, it seems soft. It's not as buttery as some of the other ones, but you definitely get color payoff. So that's pretty nice. And then for up here, let's use this gleaming, which is more bronzy color. Yeah, this is really pretty. That's gorgeous. Yep, so definitely be using that. And then, lastly, I got the Wondrous Escape from Wander Beauty. This is the eyeshadow palette. I actually wanted this in my, I think this came out last month, I believe. I can't remember. But this is what it looks like. Look at how pretty that is. And I'm looking at that blue, something fierce. So let's use, if I didn't tell you the price on this one, this is $42. We're going to use Pero Primero Primer. Okay, so I'm going to use this eyeshadow primer because it's nice and sticky, and I can't find my primer potion, not right now, but that's okay. So nice and sticky. Okay, we're going to use our Morphe. Let's do a simple look on this one eyeball. So we're going to use Nude Beach, which is this color. There's a lot of fallout in this palette, but got to try and make it work, right? Okay, from here we're going to go with a little bit of Overnight, so it's a little darker. It's more like a darker chocolate brown. Open up the eye just a little bit. We'll have a happy little accident. Pulling my little Bob Ross thing going on. Okay, and then I just want to use the sea glass. That looks beautiful as shit. Oh, look at how stunning. That is gorgeous. And I'm going to put a little bit of this Moonlit here. That is so pretty. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm going to do the other eyeball so that way. I just love how much pop you get out of this color. Yeah, this is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to be using this palette a lot as well. So all in all, definitely over $100 worth of items here. I want to say it's close to $150. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for all the others, okay? Have a good night, guys. Bye.